Wynwood is a neighborhood in Miami, Florida. Formerly it was an industrial district, but currently the area is known for the murals that cover the walls of many of the buildings and many of the sidewalks. The Wynwood Art District is a sub-district of Wynwood that contains galleries, outdoor murals and private art collections. The district is centered around Wynwood walls. You can see plenty of graffitis around, but the most interested are located in the Wynwood Walls gallery. It used to be free, but with the COVID restrictions they introduced a fee of $10 and didn't change it afterwards. The ticket system also controls the amount of people visiting the museum simultaneously. Some artworks are really impressive. There are also lots of references to American culture, not really clear for me. But for instance, these huge toys look very unusual. Especially this huge garbage-made cyber panda. I'm not a big fan of contemporary art, neither of graffiti, but still it was pretty interesting. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.